one of us gets too drunk and calls about 100 times.
It's not just any Wi-Fi. It's streaming in every room in your house, even in the backyard Wi-Fi.
Mom, we're going to watch movies in the treehouse. That's fine, honey.
It's Wi-Fi that lets your family stream live TV and the most free movies and shows on any device they want.
Dad, can I watch cartoons on the tablet?
How about...
Why? What the fuck?
But it's cool, I checked out. Oh, you wanna be friends now? Okay, let's put my fake face on and pretend now. Sit around and talk about the good times.
Oh my god, it's a one-way. Stop! 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 Stop!
What's the mistake joke? Let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy.
You a 3-star. I ain't sleeping when I say I'm in my dream car. Did I stutter? Have a juku hyphen. Barbie, I'm hot. I think it's time to put the rice in.
She got that good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we murderers because we keep
Little cousin to a senseless act of violence. His sister said he wanted to stay with me, but I didn't invite him. Why didn't he ask? Or am I just
American soldier.
Is that the wrong way? What? Is this a two-way street? No.
And we go beyond fast with the complete reliability of 4G LTE backup, which means that even if something like construction...
Last time you say all I ever do is just control you. Told your friends that I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last night?